Okay, class 12. Now today we are going to learn integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction. Integration by partial fraction. Rational function is first we must know about a rational function. Rational function integration by partial fraction. So rational function is defined as the ratio of two polynomials form is px by qx. So px is one polynomial function and qx is another polynomial function. So numerator is polynomial and denominator is also polynomial. So here qx is not equals to 0. Number one condition is degree. If the degree of px is less than qx, if the degree of numerator is less than denominator, then the rational function is called proper function. Then the rational function is called proper function. Otherwise it is called number 2 if the degree of px is greater than qx, then the rational function is called improper function. If the degree of px is less than qx, means if the degree of numerator is less than denominator, then the rational function is called proper function. If the degree of numerator is greater than the degree of denominator, then the rational function is called improper function. Okay, let us know some of the rational function now which can be converted into partial fraction. So number one is form of the rational function. Form of partial fraction. Form of the partial fraction. So rational function and partial fraction. So here it is the rational function px plus q divided by x minus a into x minus b. Here a not equals to b. So in this case the degree of numerator is less than the degree of denominator, so it is proper function. In this case, now partial fraction will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. It is the partial fraction of this rational function, number 1. So number 2, here px plus q divided by x minus a whole square. So in this case, degree of numerator is less than denominator. So partial fraction will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. It is the partial fraction of px plus q by x minus a whole square. Similarly, number 3, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c. Here also the degree of numerator is less than the denominator, so it is proper function. Now the partial fraction will be a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus c. Number 4, px square plus qx plus r divided by x minus a whole square into x minus b. Here also the degree of numerator is less than the denominator, so it is also a proper function. So in this case, a by, first we will write x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. First we will take x minus a only, after that b by x minus a whole quantity plus c by x minus b. And last one is number 5. Px square plus qx plus r. It is x minus a, here x square plus bx plus c. So in this case, it is rational function, proper rational function, but in denominator there is a quadratic equation. So in this case, the partial fraction will be a by x minus a plus bx plus c, bx plus c by x square plus bx plus c. In case of quadratic equation, we will write in the form a by x minus a first, after that now and then quadratic equation will be bx plus c divided by x square plus bx plus c. So these are the forms of rational functions into partial fractions. Now let us take one example of rational to partial fraction. Okay, example is find integration of dx by x plus 1 x plus 2. Now first in solution we will write let 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equals to, first compare the numerator and the denominator. Here the degree of numerator is less than the denominator, so partial fraction will be a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. So it is equation number 1. After that, 1 by x plus 1 x plus 2, this equals to, now take LCM, it is x plus 1 into x plus 2, cross multiply a x plus 2 plus b x plus 1. Now we can cut this denominator, so 1 equals to ax plus 2a plus bx plus b. So 1 equals to a plus b, now x is common here, plus 2a plus b. Now comparing LHS and RHS, comparing coefficient and constant of LHS and RHS. So a plus b equals to 0. Here a plus b is 0 because in left hand side there is no x. So in right hand side the coefficient of x is a plus b, left hand side the coefficient of x is 0. So a equals to minus b, and 2a plus b equals to 1 because the constant is 2a plus b in right hand side and left hand side 1 is constant. So 2a is minus b plus b equals to 1 minus 2b plus b equals to 1 minus b equals to 1. B equals to minus 1. Therefore a equals to minus of minus 1 because a equals to minus b, this minus is this minus, now the value of b is minus 1. So a equals to 1. Now we can put the value of a and b here. So therefore integration of 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx equals to integration. So what is the value of a? It is 1 by x plus 1 dx plus value of b is minus 1. So integration of minus 1 by x plus 2 dx. This equals to integration of 1 by x dx is log x. So it is log x plus 1, plus into minus is minus, same 1 by x is log x plus 2 plus c. We know that log a minus log b is log a by b, log a by b. X plus 1 divided by x plus 2 plus c. Now this is the answer of this example. Okay, this was for today. Now we will continue exercise from next class. Thank you.